Hi everyone, welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. Wow, I was holding my breath watching this. The driver of the white car has nerves of steel. If you miss your exit, head to the next one. Don't stop suddenly like this. On August 14th in Dezhou, Shandong, China, a red truck with blue plates suffered a blowout of its two rear tires, causing it to overturn across lanes 1 and 2. Seeing the situation, the drivers of 3 vehicles behind quickly pulled over in the emergency lane and helped the occupants of the overturned truck to safety. Thankfully, everyone escaped without injury. Tow trucks arrived soon after, and the road was quickly cleared and back to normal. Many people get a bit panicked and shaky when they see police officers while driving. It's like they suddenly forget how to steer. The first mistake was on the small car, which entered the highway too quickly and failed to check the mirrors. The truck also didn't help matters by not slowing down at the entry ramp. The black car missed its exit and suddenly slammed on the brakes, switching lanes without warning. The red truck behind, not keeping a safe distance, ended up crashing into it. Talk about a recipe for disaster. A car tried to overtake on a curve, and with a truck barreling down the road, it couldn't dodge in time, leading to a wild swerve and a collision with 3 other vehicles. The driver of this car was cruising in the fast lane, but missed spotting the reflective post ahead. Surprised, they swerved suddenly and crashed into the guardrail. Next time, keep your eyes on the road. Maybe they should have pulled the black SUV at a steeper angle to get it upright, instead of using that diagonal cable setup like in the video. It might have saved them some extra effort. This earth barrier wall is on the brink of collapsing at any moment. Only one lucky vehicle managed to drive out in time, while the others parked there were completely crushed when the wall came down. This white car definitely bit off more than it could chew by scraping right against that tough-looking excavator. That small car, while operating under a serious case of fatigue and drowsiness, accidentally caused the truck to lose control and crash into the guardrail. After the traffic police investigated, they concluded that the driver of the small car is fully responsible and must cover the damages. When making a turn, you should slow down and steer gently, especially if you're driving a heavy truck loaded with goods. It's not the time for sharp turns or high speeds. Wow, that guardrail went straight through the machinery of this BMW and even pierced through the passenger seat. Luckily, the driver was alone that day, so there were no injuries to others, just some minor injuries for the driver. Talk about a close call. Here's the scene of a crane disaster. The load was too heavy, causing the support legs to snap. Looks like overloading isn't just a bad idea, it can lead to a real mess. A car collided with a three-wheeled truck loaded with freshly harvested corn, sending the fresh ears of corn scattering all over the road. Looks like we have a cornfield on the highway now. Guess how many years this truck has been parked here? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Here's a handy trick for escaping a parking spot. Why not dump the dirt in the middle of the truck bed instead of starting from the back? That way, the truck wouldn't end up doing a dangerous wheelie like it's auditioning for a stunt show. That truck's load sure looks like it's carrying the entire contents of a small warehouse, doesn't it? You've got to wonder how they managed to keep it all balanced. This heavy-duty truck is pretty long, so its turning radius is massive. Navigating these corners takes quite a bit of time and requires some seriously careful observation.
자. 아, 얘 좀 하고 싶어.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like. And if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.